Hello everybody, cheers for returning. This one's just going to be a quick unboxing video. I was lucky enough to receive the two new Ferrari SF90xx kits from Pzy Kitbox. So we've got the Spider version and we've got the hardtop version. I won't pronounce the hardtop version because my Italian's not very good and I don't want to offend people by getting it wrong. So yeah, so lucky enough to get both of them. So what we'll do is we'll have a look in the boxes and we'll see what the difference is in the kits. So we'll just unbox one for the moment. So it's come well packed, a couple of bags of goodies. So first one up are the seats. They look quite nice. Bag of wheels, two different style wheels on there. By the looks of it, two different widths as well. So fronts and rears. Bag of parts, lots of different parts. Little tub of goodies. I like the clear parts. There's a 3D printed part in there. And we've got the body, which is well packed. And that's got some goodies in there as well. And then we've got decals, PE, seat belts. So what I'll do is I'll get both kits out and we'll have a look at the difference between the two. And we'll go from there. Right, so we've got the two kits out. I say these are only the test ones, so I haven't got instructions, so I'm having to sort of work out what's what at the moment. But by the looks of it, 90% of the kit is the same across the two, just with the obvious changes of that's a Spider, so no roof, hard top with the top. Looking at it, we've got seats are different between the two. So that's the seat from the Spider. It's all cast in together. It's cast nice and clean. A little bit of flash, which is nothing to take off. And then where are we? That's the seat for the hardtop. So yeah, they're both nice. And the nice thing they've done as well is they've moulded in little shapes on the bottom, and it's the same on the chassis. So you actually line the seats up in the right place. So yeah, that was the seats. Dash is multi pieces. So you've got sort of the main chunk of the dash with some really nice detail cast into it. Separate pieces, which would be great for painting if you want to give it the sort of the leather effect, different colours. There are a few other pieces by the looks of it to go in, and the vents, so I need to sort of dig them out. If we go with the wheels, so the wheels, two different types. I say there is two different sizes, widths should I say, so these are both fronts. Two different designs, and the nice thing with these ones, it zooms in, is the tyres have actually got branding on them. So where you got Michelin around there, got the tyre size as well. So I like this. This is a really nice touch. Adds a nice little bit of detail to the kits, and yeah, I'm glad they do that. Brake calipers, or the brake discs and calipers. The calipers are moulded in all in one, which isn't much of an issue. It's just a case of you can give them a lick of paint and then put the PE parts on. So that's them. There's a couple of, from what I can work out, the rear wing sort of comes in three parts. So you've got the main body of the rear wing, and then two sort of sides, and there's PE to go in between them. So that'd be fun trying to get them painted up and carboned everything. Front splitter is going to be made of a few different sections, so that's your main front splitter. It's all cleanly cast, And like most of their kits now, they put the paw plugs in a place that's out of the way, so it's easier to hold, easier to clean up. So I like that. And then there's a couple of other little bits by the looks of it for the front splitters, so we'll work all them out. These I'm very impressed with. I'm glad they've done that. So the windscreen wipers are now cast resin. That to me is really nice. I don't like doing the PE wipers. I've always struggled with the PE wipers, and yeah, having it in cast resin, cleanly cast, really nice detail in there. So it'd be nice just to paint them up and then cut them off. And then where are we body wise? So if we go with the Spider first, so it's all cleanly cast, panel lines are nice, maybe just give them a little bit of a deepen, but yeah, they're all in nice bit of detail. Engine, you can see the engine quite nicely when the rear window's in. Interior, so the interior tub is actually moulded into the base plate. Yeah, all looks good. We'll see them with the seats. The difference between the kits, the headrest's different in this one compared to the hard top. But yeah, so that's the Spider version. And then you've got the hard top. I say it's all cleanly cast, nice detail in there. So there are some little vents, so on this one they'll pop in from the inside. It's nice that they're separate, so that makes them easier to paint. And the same with the side vents. So the side vents just drop in, and the same on both kits, so they'll just drop in. And the nose one. So yeah, they're in, and makes them a hell of a lot easier to paint. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, everything looks nice. Say it's all nice, all crisp. The little tub for safety, so that's got the clear parts in it. The 3D printed part I think goes on the rear, just above the diffuser. I've got side skirts in there. So the diffuser, it's all cleanly cast, so the majority of that I dare say will be carbon if I remember rightly. Door cards. So yeah, overall they've done a nice job. So with the casting, the parts, the details, they all look good. What we'll do now is we'll have a quick look at the decals and the PE parts that come with it. Alright, so the decals and the PE parts for the hardtop version. Nice nameplate. And then we've got a small PE fret. They've got wing mirrors, discs for the hubs, for the decals for the hubs, sorry. Bit of engine detail. This one is your number plates, your seatbelt parts, your brake discs. So they're your rear wing supports. They're the end plates for your wings, I think. Well, they are. And then these are quite light. You've got floor mats on there. They've got a little bit of raised detailing, so they'll be sort of nice painted up in interior colour. Then you could always just gently file over the top to take the paint off the high spots. So that's a nice little touch. And then here we've got lots of grills. So they'll all be cut off and then painted up black or a grey or something. Windows. So you've got the acetate sheeting. You've got obviously front, your sides, your rear, and then this I haven't seen before, which I actually quite like the look of. You've got a little tinted rear window or a blacked out rear window. So that's the bit between the engine bay and the the interior, so that's nice. I haven't seen anyone do a tint in this before, and that's quite a nice little touch. Where are we? Metal transfers, so your Ferrari badges, your mirrors again, your little Ferrari logos for the front, emblems for the front. Right, and then the sheets of decals. So the first one up, carbon fibre for the wheels. I'm not sure which set they'll go on, but there's one set. Again, that's a nice little feature. And then another sheet. So you've got number plates, your little Ferrari badges, livery options. Carbon fibre, we all love a bit of carbon fibre, so by the looks of this, doors, engine parts, and then you got your Ferrari badges, your interior parts, so you got your dash, looks like a radio type thing, your gear stick, or your centre console part, your wheel logos or emblems. Yeah, they're all printed nicely. Another sheet for livery choice, and then one large sheet of carbon fibre. There's a lot on there, so you've got your seat backs, more for the wheels. It's probably, yeah, they'll probably go around your seat area, so around the back, around the headrests. That's for your roof. It's nice that it comes down the A pillar as well. And another full sheet of carbon fibre decals. So if you like carbon fibre, you'll enjoy doing this one. So on here, the probably front end splitters, aero, engine, your rear wing, your wing supports, they'll all be your diffuser. So yeah, all nice, all printed well. So yeah, that's all the decals and the PE part for the hardtop. I'll just jump over to the Spider version. So with the Spider version, we've got obviously the Spider nameplate. Got the same PE fret, but what they've done is they've obviously changed the number plate to read Spider. I've got the clears for the windows. And so the same little fret there. And that all looks the same. Maybe one or two slightly different. I'll come back to that. And then decal wise, there's not as many in this one. So we got the little metal transfers, a sheet of livery option, more livery option. So I think this is just a repeat of the other one. So you've got your carbon fibre for your doors, your centre console, your Ferrari badges. Again, that's another repeat of all the carbon parts for the exterior. They all look nice. And then last but not least, some more livery options and some more carbon fibre for the engine bay and seats. So that's that lot. And then the last little bit is a little bag of goodies. So you've got 4 different colour seat belts. These are included in both. So you've got white, yellow, red and blue. Got your screws, and then if I can find them in there, they are in there hiding. you've got zoom in. So in the very bottom of the bag down there, I don't know how well it's picking up, there you go, is the tyre valves or the tyre stems. I'm sure with every Pzy kit I get or I build, the tyre stems seem to get a bit smaller, but there are definitely 4 in there. So yeah, again, that's another nice little feature they put in, is the tyre stem. So they've done quite well with this one. Resin wipers and tyre stems is always a good thing. So yeah, so that's the 2 kits. As I say, these are the tests, so they may change slightly between now and final release. Just keep an eye on the website, well, not on the website, on the Facebook page or the Instagram page. I will leave links below to the Instagram, to the Facebook group. There are a few sites that I know of that are selling them. I'll drop their links in as well. Thank you very much for having a look. These will be coming up probably after the F40s. Not sure which one to go for yet. Maybe, I don't know yet. We'll decide sort of when we get closer to it. So thank you for having a look, and I'll speak to you all later.